Hi guys, this is Advocate Siddharth Jain, an associate with Dial Z. Today we will discuss about the conversion of a private limited company into LLP. Limited liability partnerships are popular due to the advantages. They are a mixture of both company and partnership firm. LLP offers the benefits of a company and the flexibility of partnership. The LLP is a legal entity where the liability of a partners is limited. The LLPs can enter into contracts and holding properties in their own name. The article zone, the article was the conversions of private limited company into LLP. Each shareholder of the private limited company must submit a statement and consent for the conversion of a company to LLP along with the application. The documents required are consent of each of the shareholder of the company for the conversion of firm into LLP into given format, incorporation of document in Form 2, Form 3, form of application and declaration of incorporation of an LLP, clearance, statement of asset, list of all creditors, approval from any other country, authorization to make a declaration, optional attachment. If any, eligibility, a private limited company can convert into following. If the company has no security interest, the part of the LLP will not be one of the shareholders of the company. Thank you.